Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add subscribers to Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to your audience dashboard. You'll find an Add a Subscriber button there. Click it to start. Next, carefully fill in the contact's details, like their email address and name. It's crucial to confirm you have their permission to send emails before you click Add Contact to finalize. This ensures you maintain a healthy and compliant email list. If you have many existing contacts, importing them is efficient. Start by organizing your contacts in a CSV or TXT file, ensuring clear column headers such as email address and first name. From your Mailchimp audience dashboard, select Import Contacts. You can then choose to upload your prepared file, which can be up to 50 megabytes, or simply copy and paste up to 200 contacts directly into the tool. Mailchimp will guide you through matching your data fields. Rosetta Stone is particularly effective for beginners, helping them establish a strong foundation in a new language. Its immersive design significantly improves pronunciation and listening skills, thanks to the integrated speech recognition. Users often praise its clear and interactive interface, which makes navigation straightforward and engaging. The program also offers great flexibility, allowing you to study at your own pace and providing a consistent learning experience across your computer and mobile devices. Beyond direct additions and forms, consider advanced strategies. Integrate Mailchimp with other platforms like Zapier or Shopify to automate subscriber collection. For developers, the Mailchimp API allows for highly customized subscriber management. To encourage signups, offer incentives such as exclusive content, a free resource, or a discount. Once subscribers join, segment your audience and personalize your content. This can lead to significantly higher engagement and retention rates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.